Hello, welcome to the IT Academy. My name is Dan. When entering large amounts of data into an Excel spreadsheet, one of the problems we face is duplicate entries. Now, when you have duplicate entries in your database, it means you have to spend time eliminating those duplicates. That is why this video will show you how to prevent duplicate entries in the first place. So let's get started. Supposing I have this table to fill with data, and I'm supposed to type in the salespeople's names and then the ID numbers and other information. Now, let's say I have John Brown, and then you have Peter Rajput. Okay, I'm supposed to enter their ID numbers. So the ID numbers should reject duplicate entries because these call for unique values. It's not only ID numbers. You could also have invoice numbers, check numbers, social security numbers, among others. So this is the range that must accept only unique values, no duplicates. So the first step to do this, to prevent the duplicate values, is to highlight the range. And then you click on the Data tab. And then you go on to click on Data Validation. And then Data Validation again. At the moment, this range you have highlighted will accept any value. And we don't want that. We want it to reject duplicate values. So we click on here and then we select Custom. And this is where we're going to type the formula to reject duplicate values. Let me type it now. It is equals counts if, brackets open, and then you highlight the entire range. And then you press F4. Then you press comma. And then you click on the first cell in the range. And then you click or you type the bracket to close the brackets. Then you type equals 1. The 1 means that every value you type in this range can appear only once. So I click OK. So let us test the system. ID number 123. Another one. If I attempt to type 123 again, it tells me this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Now, this is a very vague message. It's simply trying to tell you that you cannot enter duplicate values, but you can control this message. You can change it. Let's customize this message. Let us decide what is to be displayed if somebody enters a duplicate value. So to do that, you simply highlight the range again, and then you click on the Data tab, and you select Data Validation and Data Validation again. And this is where you click on the Error Alert tab. So I'm going to click Error Alert. So let's decide what error message should appear if anybody types in a duplicate value. Let's make the error alert have a title. I'm going to call it Duplicate Entry. Then I'm going to put 3 exclamation marks for dramatic effect. And then the error message itself should read, the ID number you just entered already exists. Please check. Okay. And then you click OK. So let's try it again. I'm going to type 123 and I press enter. So it has a more friendly error message now, more clear. The ID number you entered already exists. Please check. And then you can click retry and then try to type the correct thing. Okay. So this is how we can eliminate duplicate entry from our spreadsheets. I hope this video was helpful to you. please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you another time. Bye for now.